Hi everyone, and thanks for joining Otis for Educators. This is an Apple instructional skills video. My name is Joe Quadrino, and today we're going to learn how we can scan and upload documents using your iPad. So fun fact, the iPad comes with an app that you can use to scan documents. That is the Notes app, which I have here up on the screen. If you open your Notes app, you can create a new note by clicking the little pen and paper icon in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on it, it creates this new note and you can start typing. But you'll also notice on the right-hand side of your keyboard, next to that check mark, there is a camera. You can select that camera icon and then you have the option to scan documents. Now I have here, after I select scan documents, I have here a permission slip that I need to get scanned. So when I hit that scan documents and I hover my iPad over the paper, we see that it does that automatic scan. I select save, and now that document is scanned into my note. I could, type some more information in there if I want, or I can just send this document out. But I have a student yelling at me, I didn't sign the permission slip. Can I add a signature to this document from my Notes app? I can. This is another cool feature of the Notes app. If you go to that share icon at the top, it's the one next to the garbage can, you scroll down a little bit and you have the markup option. When you select markup, you have the ability to draw on your document, but I'm interested in this little plus icon to the side, and then we have the option for a signature. This allows you to add a signature to your document. So I'm going to just make a signature for Liam Lemur and hit done. Now I have a signature here that I can just resize and then place on my document. Make it a little smaller so it fits nice. And there you go. Now I have a signature on my permission slip. When I'm done, I can click done in the top left corner. And then I can save this file to my drive, to my cloud drive, or my Google Drive. And then I have this signature saved to my document. How do I send this out? Well, if I go back to that share icon in the top right corner, I can send this to a colleague or a teacher, whoever, through email. I could send it to Classroom, to Drive. I have all of these options to upload and send my document. So thanks for watching this instructional skills video on scanning and uploading documents using an iPad. Remember, if you have any other questions, you could email the team at otis@tech.com. My name's Joe. Have a great day.